This is the first ray depression exercise. Our target tissue is your fibularis longus and brevis, which are found just on the outside portion of your leg. Those muscles are responsible for proper foot mechanics, and here's how you can activate and start strengthening them. So what you do is sit at the edge of a chair. I'm using a resistant band here, and what you do is fold it one corner of it twice. Take that little square at the end here and place it just under the big toe right here, this joint. You're gonna place it right under that. Not the big toe just yet, just under that big joint. So what happens is that muscle on the outside of your leg, called your fibularis longus and brevis, will come down the outside of your leg, underneath, and attach here to the first ray. It's responsible for lowering that bone there to allow normal foot mechanics. So what you're gonna do is pull the band out to the side like this and try to pin that little square of TheraBand underneath your big toe. Slam it down and try to pull, and what you want to do is just pull out to the side. I like to wrap it around my leg here, but you want to be careful because if you let that go, it's going to recoil. So you don't want to hold it up going towards your face like this. I like out to the side and just wrap it around the backside here. My toes are splayed, my big toes smashing and pinning that down, and I'm holding for a duration of time and sets. The muscle should be felt right on the outside portion of here, and that's the target tissue. Once you've mastered this and you can get that active on the side here, then what you're gonna do, put your feet a little closer towards you, put that band just underneath that big toe there, push it down, pin it down, give some resistance, and then try to heel raise while holding that down. And you want to heel raise right up and over onto that big toe. Because if you come out to the side like that, it lifts the big toe and therefore the band snaps. So in order to get that good fibularis longus and brevis activation, you've got to pin it and then heel raise. So that is how you perform the fibularis longus and brevis first ray depression exercise.